my dinner. I've been losing weight. Home area is my arms. If you guys can't tell, I have really broad shoulders. Thank you guys so much for 808 of you guys. Like, okay guys, so I look literally insane. I'm doing like my morning little spa routine. Literally just like wearing the Mask Magnum NT mask, some under eye patches for my under eyes. Oh, they're slipping. And I look a hot mess because there's like mask in my hair. My hair is tied back, so that's what I'm doing. This is something that I like to do on some mornings, just like relax. I've been moving and doing so much, so that's why I just want to like chill and do this for myself. So, and then in most mornings, I will go to the fridge and grab myself. We just had a barbecue, so ignore there's like so much stuff in there. But I'll just go to the fridge and get myself a water because that's what I do every morning. I'll usually do lemon water, but I'm not today. I'm just gonna like drink regular water. So also guys, I do want to stress that I will fill one of these up and finish them during the day. This is how much? This is 48.8 fluid ounces. So it's literally huge. You can see compared to my hand, it's literally huge. So this is what I drink my water in, and I'll fill it up for the day and drink my water from this. I'm making some pancakes right now. This is the Birch Benders pancake and waffle mix. This is the keto one. I wanted the protein kind, but they were literally sold out, so they only have this one. This one literally is just like gluten-free, grain-free, and then has 9 grams of protein. So it's basically like the protein kind that's just very good for you. So yeah guys, this is the Birch Benders pancake mix, and I'm gonna make one right now. Guys, it looks so nice outside. I literally just want to like go sit out there, but I have stuff to do, so I cannot. But it looks so nice outside. Okay, so I'm showing you my outfit really quickly, so it's kind of hard to show, but I'm wearing this top from Forever 21. My leggings are Lululemon. I have my water bottle I'm bringing, my keys. My bag is from Forever 21. It's like a bucket bag. And then my shoes are little Steve Madden slip-ons. So yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna drink this to go to the gym. This is the Aspire Healthy Energy Calorie Burning Mango Lemonade. It's basically pre-workout. Like, if you guys want to be honest, this is basically pre-workout. Like the Alani Nu. It just helps you like burn calories and stuff while you work out and gets you like really energized for a workout. So I'm about to go work out in like probably, I don't know, like a half an hour. So I'm taking this a half an hour before I go to my workouts. Has no calories, no sugar, no carbs. So this is just really good to take before the gym. So I got these at Food Lion actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna have this before I go to the gym. Okay guys, so let's go to the gym. Okay, so I just got back from the gym and I'm eating my dinner. I'm eating a Morningstar veggie burger. I'll put the calories right here. I have some ketchup and mustard, which I know seems so weird, but I actually like this combination. And then I have some banana peppers just on like a regular size roll. And this is what I'm eating for dinner, just to get like my protein in. I really didn't have like a lot of calories today, so I'm just going to eat this for dinner. And then I'll probably have like some type of snack later, which I'll show you guys. Guys, so I really wish I remembered where I got this water bottle from, because you guys have been asking me so much. It's huge. Like, it's literally 50 fluid ounces of water. It's so big. I drink more than 2 of these a day, so I'll drink like 2 to 3 of these. So I would highly recommend getting yourself just a really big water bottle. It's huge. Like, this thing is huge. It holds so much water, but this is how I get my water intake in during the day. It's like the best thing ever. So I highly recommend you guys getting one of these. If I can find one, I'll link it down below, but I completely just like forget where I got this, but it's probably from like Target or something. I feel like I get a lot of my water bottles from like Target. I don't know if you can see my outfit, but I'm wearing these ripped knee leggings. The top is just this cute little stripe one, but it's really cute and comfortable. And the next thing that I want to, by the way guys, I've been losing weight, but my biggest like problem area is my arms. If you guys can't tell, I have really broad shoulders, like really, you can see they're just super broad. I don't even have like super fat arms, but my upper body, like my shoulders and stuff, are just very large, I feel like, so they just stick out. So I definitely need to work on that. That's like my thing that I need to work on. But I'm gonna go on a walk with my mom when she gets home from work. I was actually from Target as well, and then I'm gonna wear some sneakers, and then this is gonna be my outfit. By the way guys, I just wanted to come on here really quick. My face is breaking out because my period is about to start. TMI. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for loving and supporting me. It means so much. Thank you guys so much for 808 of you guys. Like, what? Never in a million years did I think I was gonna get to 800 subscribers. I feel like I was just saying 65 like the other day. So thank you guys so much. I know I did a giveaway for 500. It was 500 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for loving, supporting me, and just like being the best Raindrop members ever. I love you guys. Love you guys unconditionally. So thank you guys so much. Okay guys, so I got a package from Forever 21. So I got this bathing suit top that's like this really pretty like burnt orange color. It crisscrosses in the back. You guys will have to see it on. I ordered some other stuff, so I'll do like a whole try on, but I'm just gonna show you right now. So I got that, and then I got these bathing suit bottoms. They're just like high-waisted, like cheeky bottoms. So I got these for the summer to go with that. And then, like I said, it's really hard to show unless it's on, but I got this like really pretty mesh see-through like black long cardigan. It's really cute. You guys will have to like see it on. It's really beautiful. And then I got this like baby doll style top that just has like the cinching at the top, and then it just flares out like a baby doll, and it has the really cute straps up there. So I got that, and I got this really cute like cheetah cami, has lace up here, and then it's just like a really pretty cheetah top, which you guys will see in the try on that I'm going to film once I get my package from Missguided. And then the last thing that I got are just these really cute scrunchies. There's like a mustard colored one, a little like gingham one, and this other pattern. So that's the stuff I got from Forever 21. Alright guys, so for dinner I'm going to make my little chicken wrap that I always make. So I have my Morningstar vegan chicken, like buffalo chicken in there. So I'm having that. And then I'm having the Extreme Wellness 100% whole wheat wrap. I'm going to put some banana peppers on it, and then just the chicken. And then that's what I'm going to have for dinner. It's really low calorie. I'll put the calories like right here on the screen so you guys can like check it out. But that's what I'm going to have for dinner. And my mom and I just went on a mile walk, so I'm super hungry, and that's what I'm going to have. Guys, you know it's been a day when my bed is literally not made. Like, look at my room. There's literally water bottles and just stuff all over my bed. So yeah, and also I did just move, so like my room is a mess. You guys can see like there's like stuff with clothes in it, pillows, just things everywhere. So bear with me. You guys will see a room tour really soon. But you know it's been a long day when my bed is not made. Okay, guys, so I literally look a hot mess. This room is a hot mess. I'm literally just chilling in like a t-shirt right now, waiting to go to the gym. But I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick. This room is a mess because I just moved in yesterday. So if you guys are wondering why my room looks literally atrocious, that's why. And these little friends came out because I'm getting my period. So that brings me to my next topic. This was all like a health and wellness vlog, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things I've been loving and just like something that could just help improve your health. All in all, the products that I've been using instead of like more processed products. So this is definitely one of them. This is natural tea tree oil with vitamin E. So I've been using just like natural tea tree oil on my face. It's been so good. It's been really working. And I don't have to question what's in it. I just know that there's vitamin E oil and tea tree, and I don't have to like wonder what's going on my skin. I really like fragrance-free things. I really like things that are vegan and just products like that, because I just know that they're good for my skin. They're not going to give me wrinkles, any of that stuff. I just know that they're good. You know what I'm saying? That I've been loving is another natural product. This is from Lush. This is the Mask Magnamenti. For a long time, I was using masks that were super harsh, super like I didn't know what was in the products. Like just freaks me out for some reason. Once I started eating clean, it's like, okay, you're eating clean, but the products that you're using are not clean. No way that these things could be clean. There's no way that these things are good for your skin. I swapped my just like products and I went for something that's cruelty free, vegetarian, no preservatives. This is just a good mask. NP Bird's Nest Aqua Eye Patches. So I've never been one to really love eye patches. I've never really understood them. I've never really wanted to use them, but this one is really good. It makes a difference in my under eyes. It just brightens them, makes them super just like nice. I was saying tampons, if you guys think about it, there are millions, trillions of women out there, and a majority of women get their period every month. So that's a lot of tampons to be creating, and if you think about it, you're like putting that in your body, whatever chemicals and whatever they're making these tampons with in your body, right? This company, they're called Fizzle tampons, and they're just basically, I'll read them to you. They're organic cotton tampons, sleek plastic applicators, no rayon, chlorine, processing, or synthetic pesticides. The FDA basically does not have to check on what's going into tampons. So they could literally be making it with anything, any material, anything you don't know, and it's going into your body, which is just so gross. Now that I'm thinking about it, I want to know what I'm putting in my body. This company, it's a subscription service. It's called My PMS Kit, and they actually have these tampons in them. I actually personally had these even before My PMS Kits, and they're the Fizzle brand, but this brand of tampons are in the PMS kits. I will link my coupon code down below. I'll also link the website down below so you guys can like read up on it if you guys want to. It's completely up to you. You guys don't have to, but I would definitely just like read what could be in tampons, and you just hear about so many stories about people getting gross like diseases and just awful things happening literally from tampons. So that's just like something that scares me, and I've teamed up with My PMS Kit, and I'm going to be giving away 5 free subscription service boxes. So basically I'll have the directions in the link down below, and I'll probably talk about it again to you guys, but it's basically a subscription service which you get every single month, obviously for your period, and you pay one price and you get tampons however many you need, pads however many you need, like a candy option, a chocolate option, and some other things that are just supposed to help improve your period every single month. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can definitely check out the link down below. Just check it out. Go on Instagram, search up My PMS Kit. You guys will be able to check them out, see their whole story, see everything about their products, because I love their products so much. Also guys, for every single box you guys purchase, one box gets sent to a woman in need. So basically any woman who cannot afford feminine products is sent to someone in need. Yeah, I just want to talk about those products with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Go with the brothers, you know how we